shots in, you know what I'm saying? Shit back there, AP5. Probably might rent out some guns. Who knows? But yeah, that's what we about to do today. Make a little short little vid for y'all. And that's about it. I know I keep saying because I just woke up fresh out the bed. I'm talking about I ain't even brushed my beard. I brushed my teeth, but I'm just fresh out the bed. My hands still clammy because I had to put product in my head. I ain't forget that. You know, I got nappy ass hair, but yeah. Without further ado, we about to go get these shots in, put this work in. You heard me? Break that mug in, and I gotta break my candy down here in. You know what I'm saying? So boom, let's get it going.
Is in the building.
Oh yeah.
Damage from 50 feet. The AP5.